And now in this part C, a new function is introduced, that is gx, and gx is minus of fx. It means gx will be the reflection of fx in x-axis. But when x is greater than equals 0, it means we are concerned with only this part of the function, when x is greater than equal to 0. So this part, so gx is equal to minus of fx when x is greater than equal to 0. So this part will be reflected only in the x-axis. So we will reflect this part of the function in x-axis to find our gx. So this is your reflection of this part. Okay, we can call this function gx. Now we have to find the range of this function gx. Here in the part A, we have already solved it. f0 is equal to minus 2. It means at 0, this function cuts y-axis at point minus 2. This is 2 units below the x-axis. So when you will reflect it in the x-axis, it will go 2 units above the x-axis, and this point will become 0, 2. It means the maximum value of this function will be 2. So we are going to find the range. So the maximum value is 2. Now we in the part B of this question, we already got our asymptote, means horizontal asymptote of this function. Horizontal asymptote means a line that the graph gets closer and closer to but never touches. So this line was 3/2. In part B, we have already solved in the previous short video. So this horizontal asymptote will also shift below the x-axis, near to this graph, and it will become y equals this horizontal asymptote will become y equals minus 3/2. The graph will never touch it but get closer and closer to it. So the minimum value of the graph will be minus 3/2, not including minus 3/2, because the graph will never reach this point minus 3/2. So the range will become range means y means function or function fx or gx, whatever you want, output. So range is always your output. So your output will be means y, or you can say gx will be greater than minus 3/2 but less than equal to 2. It can take a value of 2, maximum value will be 2, but can never take the value minus 3/2. So that's why minus 3/2 to 2. This is the answer of this question.